There it is, Bob. It's got the caseware that these are prone to. This was somebody's watch. They paid to, you know, they paid back in the day to get this thing serviced by someone because it had work done. It needed some cleaning, and it definitely lived a working life, but it's 100% functional now. You said you didn't really want a long video, that a short video would do just fine. I hope this is gonna, you know, show you the details that you need to see. So that right there, that right hand right there, that's an NOS hand. Darn it. All the rest of this is original. It's original to the watch. The lume is a little darkened right on the base. Gosh darn it. The lume is darkened right on the base there of the minute hand, but I cleaned it up actually pretty well. Dial lume is original. And there that is. I had a heart attack because I got this new old stock old crown, and it takes actually a slightly different stem. It's a different tap than the main one that I normally had. I had to dig through all of my crap to find one of the right stem. It's one part number off. Looks nice, doesn't it? Nothing like a clean crystal to really make a watch look good. Well, you tell me what you think, and we'll go from there.